I will always remember you. I will always remember you. I am waiting for your question. I am waiting for your question. Just tell me what you want. Just tell me what you want. My brother bought a new car. My brother bought a new car. No one knows my real name. No one knows my real name. Promise me you will never lie to me. Promise me you will never lie to me. Take a look at this picture. Take a look at this picture. Their house has 2 floors. Their house has 2 floors. I want to buy a new watch. I want to buy a new watch. Please get out of my room. Please get out of my room. The fight ended in a draw. The fight ended in a draw. The battle lasted 2 years. The battle lasted 2 years. This is my mother's car. This is my mother's car. What caused the explosion? What caused the explosion? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What time are you coming? What time are you coming? Don't tell them anything about me. Don't tell them anything about me. Why did you break up with your wife? Why did you break up with your wife? She looked like her mother. She looked like her mother. Did you find your keys? Did you find your keys? She invited me to the wedding. She invited me to the wedding. He speaks English very well. He speaks English very well. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. Guess how many children I have. Guess how many children I have. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. I don't regret saying that. I don't regret saying that. Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. Please close the door quickly. Please close the door quickly. You can say whatever you want. You can say whatever you want. I don't like the way he speaks. I don't like the way he speaks. I promise I won't let you down. I promise I won't let you down. I take a shower twice a week. I take a shower twice a week. I'd like to stay here with you. I'd like to stay here with you.